very happy that you're with us this afternoon, Miss Nadine. So can you please say hi to everyone first? So, is this your first time visiting here in Asundahan? First time na ba?
First time ko, pero I've been here in Davao before. It's really nice, especially sa mga shows namin dati. So it's so good to be back.
Wow! Yeah, and you're seeing a lot of posters here. Naku guys, gwapa kayo si Nadine in person. Do you agree with me? So can you give us a short background of it? With your eyeglasses and with the collection right now, do you have any, just few words lang about the collection?
Actually, yung gusto ko talaga for the collection is bagay siya sa lahat. Kasi yun ang problem ko ever since pag nag-shop ako for eyewear. Maraming shapes na hindi bagay sa akin. So I made sure na itong collection na to, bagay siya for anyone.
Exactly. I have also checked the collections kanina. So sa mga hindi pa po...
Sige po.